our first South Luzon Regional Housing Conference. In behalf of the CREBA officers and members, the CREBA Batangas chapter, and of course CREBA National, we are honored to have you this evening in the celebration of our 10th anniversary.
Hi, welcome to our first South Luzon Housing Conference.
To all our guests from the public sector, CREBA Batangas chapters officers and members, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to our 10th CREBA Batangas chapter founding anniversary and to our conference welcome party.
Welcome to the first Regional Housing Conference of CREBA. Una po sa lahat, ako po ay taos-pusong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng delegado at sa from National also na siya pong tumutulong sa amin dito sa CREBA Batangas Chapter, and of course sa ating Pangulo na natunay na napakasipag. Ganun din po ang kanyang mga staff na naririyan, walang humpay sa pagtulong para maganap itong ating First Regional Conference Housing Summit.
So we are looking forward to having you at the National Convention, which marks our 51st anniversary. So natatapos lang ng 50 years. So ano naman tayo ngayon? 51. So counting one na naman tayo.
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen, friends in CREBA. On behalf of the CREBA National Board and officers, they're all here. It gives me great honor and pleasure to greet all of you and to welcome you to our CREBA South Luzon Regional Conference hosted by CREBA Batangas.
I am filled with pride and gratitude for the indomitable CREBA spirits which inspired us all to come together today in our quest for sustainable solution to our country's housing challenges despite all of us.
For the past 5 decades, the CREBA chapters have fueled our association's role as the biggest and strongest voice and vanguard of the Philippine property sector by providing us, in the national leadership, a clear picture of the issues that confront the various aspects of housing and real estate development as they happen on the ground.
The 4PH program is just one part of the broader housing initiative of the Marcos Jr. administration, which aims to build 6 million housing units by 2028.
Sa pagtutulungan po ng pribadong sektor, nangunguna ng CREBA, kaakibat ang serbisyo ng gobyerno at partisipasyon ng mga benepisyaryo, matutupad natin ang housing target ng pambansang pabahay para sa Pilipino, programa ng ating Pangulo sa ilalim ng vision at shelter agencies.
Setting its vision for the future while beyond its golden legacy of 50 years, CREBA is even more than resolute to put its collective strength today in pursuing the needed policy and regulatory reforms under our 5-point agenda to achieve our mission of a home for every Filipino.
To all of you, welcome to Batangas and welcome to the South Luzon CREBA share and the pursuit of our collective vision towards a home for every Filipino.
CREBA plays a crucial role in this endeavor. With your dedication and support, we can achieve and even surpass the government's goal.
Your remarkable enthusiasm and leadership in echoing CREBA's advocacies to your local policy decision makers and stakeholders have been a powerful engine that propels each of our efforts in the various forms of accomplishment in a bid to close the housing gap that would have grown wider and wider over the years.